Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. We're about to do day 3 of our out of shape running to 5K. Let's get started. Okay, I got Chase here today. Today is the third workout. It's the exact same as the last 2 workouts, okay? We're literally just going to go for 30 minutes. 22 minutes of that will be walking. 8 minutes of that will be running / jogging. Now, depending on where you're at in your journey, it might be super easy to run those 8 minutes. It might be super hard. Regardless, you need to run the 8 minutes and you need to walk the 22 minutes. So here's how the workout goes. Just a reminder, you do 5 minutes of walking, then you do 1 minute of running, and the 5-minute walking is your warm-up. Then you do 1 minute of running, 1.5 minutes or 90 seconds of walking, brisk walking, then 1 minute running, 1.5 minutes. You repeat that 8 times total. Then you do a 5-minute cool down, okay? That's the workout. You're gonna need your Nike Run app or some kind of a GPS run tracking app, and you're going to need the interval timer. Again, if you don't know how to set up the interval timer so that it beeps at you and tells you when to stop running and start walking, go watch the intro video for this course and it will show you how to set that up. But we're gonna get started now. Thanks for joining us. All right, we're just checking in. We're halfway done with our workout. We've done 4 intervals. This is our rest. We're about to do our 5th run. Chase, how you feeling?
Good.
Okay, how you guys feeling at home? Hopefully you're watching these videos so you know what to expect on the workout. And then you're either going outside or you're stepping on the treadmill or the indoor track and you're doing this workout, all right? Tip of the day is find that pace where you can run the entire minute all 8 times so that you don't go so fast that you're injured and too tired. Excuse me, car. So that you don't go so fast that you're injured and too tired to do the entire workout how it's meant to be. So that's the tip of the day. Just find that slow, steady pace that you know you can finish.
Halfway point, 15 minutes to go. Distance, 0.84 miles. Average pace, 17:42 per mile.
That's my little check-in from the Nike Run app, and it's time to go. We'll see you guys at the end of the workout. All right, we just finished our 8th run. We're now on our last 8th walk, and then we got our 5-minute cool down walk. Chase from Chasey Chats is the king of facts. He was just telling me a fact about the atmosphere. Why don't you share that just for fun? What were you telling me?
The atmosphere, well, one of them, I'm pretty sure it's the middle one, protects us with all the sunlight. And everything, and if we didn't have one of those atmosphere, it would burn us. If we didn't have an atmosphere, but one of them protects us the most, which is the middle one. I forgot what it's called, but
Is that the stratosphere, or is the stratosphere the top one?
I'm pretty sure the exosphere is the top one. The exosphere is the top one.
Okay, there you have it. One layer of the atmosphere. He thinks the middle one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the shadow.
He's responsible for keeping us from burning up from the sunlight. I kind of wish we'd burn up a little bit. I've been cold lately, but there it is. Now we got our 5-minute cool down. Just wanted to thank you guys for joining us on this journey. Again, if you're just joining us, this is part of a series where we go from basically laying around eating nachos like I've been doing the last month to being able to run a 5K without stopping or without walking. And you're going to be in all different places. Some of you, these runs will be super easy, these first few. Some of you, these first few runs will be extremely hard. Regardless of where you're at, do the workout. So tomorrow we're going to do a different workout, and that'll be workout number 4, okay? If you need to, if you're just joining us, go back and watch the introduction to this. That link is now on the screen. If you missed yesterday's workout, go out and watch that video and do yesterday's workout. Or if you're ready to go to tomorrow's, go give it a watch, and tomorrow do that workout. Just a reminder, do at least 3 of these every week over the course of 4 to 9 weeks. We're gonna aim to do 6 a week, 1 a day with a rest on Sunday. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.